Ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer? The answer is simple: investing. And today I'll show you how you can get started in the stock market, no matter how little money you have. Stay with me till the end, and you'll learn how to make your money work for you. Ready to start your financial journey? The stock market can seem confusing, but it's actually one of the most reliable ways to grow your wealth over time. Why invest? The stock market has historically given investors a return of 7 to 10% annually, way better than keeping your money in a savings account where inflation eats away at your hard-earned cash. So what exactly is the stock market? When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. If that company does well, your stock's value goes up. If it struggles, the value goes down. Simple, right? But there are ways to invest that minimize your risk while maximizing your potential gains. So how do you actually start investing? The easiest way is to open a brokerage account online. These days, apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity make it simple to buy your first stock with just a few clicks. Here's a quick step-by-step on how to begin. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Should you invest for the short term or the long term? While it's tempting to try and make quick money, the best strategy for beginners is long-term investing. You want to invest in solid companies or funds, set it and forget it. Before you dive into the market, here are a few quick tips. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 2. Invest consistently. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow massively. 3. Stay patient. The market will have ups and downs, but remember, you're in this for the long haul. So there you have it. Investing in the stock market is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. You'll be surprised where you'll end up in just a few years. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips.